Welcome everyone, this is Hypnoser, and that's the fourth episode of Advanced Philosophical Series, where we will show the conservative philosophy and connect it with the relativization. Okay, let's start with the main idea. We'll start with the main idea, then we will go through the definition of conservatism and the points connected with conservatism. Okay, so what if we could reject our absurdity altogether, like we tried to do with rational creationism? According to conservative philosophy, the thing like this is not only possible but inevitable. But should we approach the issue in this way? In this presentation we will take care of the issue. Okay, but first, what is a conservatism? It's the doctrine that defends traditional institutions and has some main things connected with it, like tradition, society, certain hierarchy, some level of authority, and some property rights. It's questioning the abstract approach in politics and questions more precisely the utopian exaggerations of, for example, communism or liberal ideologies or stuff like that. What means that it's abstract? It's disconnected from exact instance, and utopian is like imagine place that is supposed to be perfect, like in a dream world. So what are the good points connected with conservatism? Now first, that's a very precise definition of the world in one-dimensional axis that underlines the remembering of historical events and putting some restrictions against abuse. And what's most important, it has clear partitioning of the world. That means it's divided into civitas Dei, world of God, civitas diaboli, world of the devil, and civitas terrae, world of the earth. So we are dividing the space into certain sections that can be managed in an independent way. So what are the mixed points, so half good, half bad, more or less, connected with conservatism? First of all, it's simplified world. Now, simplified world is easier to manage, but we pay the price for that because we have less diversity and creativity in creation of such a world. Second is the connection to the concept of fate, and that can have optimistic approach to life, but it can also lead to the difficulty of changing the observation point. That's why it's mixed. So now let's go to the clearly bad points connected with conservatism. First, because the world is simplified, it omits many variables which can cause difficulties in interpreting the formations of reality. Yes, that also reluctance to change, we have already considered that. And the difficulty in multidimensional thinking, because they are in one dimension, good and evil, and don't see beyond it. Also, we had that theorem of non-existence, which said that when we have n dimensions, the n plus 1 dimension feels impossible for us. Okay, people, so one more thing, because one point was missing there, so I added it during the presentation, so that it all concludes in a way that makes sense. So let's go to the last point of our today's presentation, and that is conclusion. So here I made a little table here where I compared the mentioned today conservatism and the relativization, a concept we mentioned in our previous series. So what conservatism offers us is a one-dimensional world that has a faith which is based on skepticism of the abstract, or in the abstract. Okay, and the next thing it has is its simple world. It uses a holy book and rejects absurdity, and it has clear partitioning of the world. World of God, world of Lucifer, and the world of the earth. Relativization, however, is based on multi-dimensional world, where we say where better and worse are blurry and oftentimes don't exist, when we can't say that easily what is smaller and what is larger. The relativization concept is skeptic towards this traditional world of relativization, or the skeptic towards the traditional world of conservatism. It creates a complex world of oftentimes multiple dimensions. It's based on philosophy of Nietzscheanism, Schopenhauerism, and Camus absurdism. And it is liquid, blurry, and has sort of like a gradient border. Although technically speaking it's not a border, it's just a smooth transition rather than the border. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching. That is all for now. Have a nice day.